What's the meaning of ameliorate? Ameliorate. 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 Ameliorate.
The word ameliorate means to improve or make something better. The act of amelioration often involves reducing or eliminating something negative, such as a problem or difficulty, and enhancing something positive, such as a desirable outcome or experience. The result of amelioration is generally a more favorable or satisfactory state or condition compared to before the improvement was made. This could include improved efficiency, increased effectiveness, higher quality, greater comfort, enhanced safety, or a more enjoyable experience overall. Ultimately, amelioration is about progress and making things better.